my YouTube channel A-Tech Learning, where the magic of data comes to life. I am Aruna and I guide you to the world of data science. In today's tech-driven era, buzzwords like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science are booming like anything. But have you ever wondered what makes them unique? Well, don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to explain why and how these terms are unique with each other. By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture about these terms, and I even challenge you with the fun task to match the buzzwords with their real life applications. So it's your chance to test your newfound knowledge from this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Remember the good old days when we all watched Tom and Jerry? Well, in this video, we are putting the spotlight on Meccano, an AI model. But what is AI? AI is like teaching machines to think and act like us, like humans. It's a superpower to tackle the complex task and save our precious time. Now let's relate this to Tom and Jerry. Tom's job is to catch Jerry, but he never succeeds, so the owner brings Meccano to catch the Jerry. So we call the Meccano as AI model because it is doing the work of Tom. Hope the term AI is clear now. The next question is, how does the Meccano do it? First, the Meccano tries to find Jerry. Next, the Meccano runs towards Jerry to catch him. Third, based on the owner's order, Meccano throws the Jerry out of the house. Now we will understand the subfields of AI and relate these subfields to the Meccano's task. AI has a vast number of subfields such as machine learning, deep learning, NLP and much more. Consider the Meccano's vision as a camera capturing its surroundings. We apply deep learning to process the captured video. If the Jerry is found in the video, the Meccano recognizes the Jerry. Here, I won't go in depth about the deep learning. I'm just giving a glimpse about the deep learning as an example. Next, once the Meccano finds the Jerry in a video, it starts running towards the Jerry to catch him. Here, we apply a machine learning to teach the Meccano to walk on the specific path. So the question is, why can't we apply deep learning to teach the Meccano to walk on the specific path and vice versa? Here is the answer. Deep learning, as the name implies, it is made up of a multi-layered neural network which is specifically used to work on complex data. Example, video, images and so on. While the machine learning is a typical algorithm that is designed to work on simple data as in XY coordinates of the room. Here is the main difference between the deep learning and the machine learning. In machine learning, we have to provide the data along with the features list to the algorithms and tell the algorithms what are the features that it has to learn from the data. But in deep learning, we just have to provide the data and we do not have to provide any features list to the algorithms because the deep learning has the capacity to capture or to learn the features from the data by itself. So that is why we provide the video data to the deep learning algorithm. Let's explore the fascinating world of data science. Imagine the Meccano is a battery powered and you need to analyze the battery consumptions of a Meccano to plan your budget. So what's your approach? You collect the data about the Meccano battery consumption and you start analyzing it. That is what the data science is all about. The data science is like digging into the data, finding the hidden patterns and make decisions accordingly. Think it as a treasure hunt where the data is a treasure and data scientists are the explorers. The data scientists use their skills to analyze the data and find the hidden patterns in it and answer the important questions. It's like turning the raw informations into gold. To sum it up, AI is making machines to think and act like humans. Machine learning is working with the simple data by providing the features. Deep learning is a complex architecture where it is a complex neural network to work on complex data and it has a capable of learning the features on its own. Data science is like finding the hidden treasure from the data. So there you have it folks. You can find the link in the description to take the fun task and test your knowledge you got from this video. Stay tuned for more such videos on data science. Thank you all for watching.